All right, guys, check this out. This is a custom fitted grill set we just had done for a customer. It has the diamond dust and the diamond cuts. It is 10K solid gold. So, designed to fit perfectly. It's handmade. And here's the backside. Snaps right on the teeth. It's made from an actual impression of the teeth, so it will fit perfect. Check that out. 10K, guys. 10K gold. You can get yours on our website, blingcartel.com. You get free shipping in the US, custom handmade work with real 10K gold. There it is, guys. Well, thanks for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.